Hello kids, today we learn small cursive letters. So now let's start how to write small cursive A. So put your pencil on the blue line, okay? Go up, then go down, then again go up, then touch upon blue line, okay? Then how to write small cursive B? Go up, then go down, then again touch upon blue line, then make a tail. Small b, then again write small c, go up, then go back, touch upon blue line. Small c, then small d, go up, then go back, touch upon red line, then down, touch upon blue line. Small d, d sound d, a sound a, b sound b, c sound k, d sound d. Then write here e sound a, e sound, go up, then go back, touch upon blue line. Then again small f, go up, then go down, touch upon blue line, then turn, touch upon blue line. Small f, f sound f. Write G, go up, go back, then touch upon red line, then again touch upon blue line. G sound G. Then write H, H sound H. Go up, then go down, then again go up, then go down, touch upon blue line. H sound H, H sound H. Then write I sound E. Go up, then go down, touch upon blue line. I sound E. Then again write here J. Go up, then go down, touch upon blue line. J sound J. Then write K. Go up, then go down, go up, touch upon blue line. K sound K. Write L, go up, then go down, touch upon blue line. L sound low, L sound L.